I'm about to show you how to take a lifeless, boring widgets UI and turn it into a fully polished and presentable 3D asset using ChatGPT. Now, I know you might be wondering, can I really trust ChatGPT to deliver something visually impressive? Well, let's find out. And make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'll also show you how to animate your UI widgets in just 3 minutes using another powerful AI tool. So here in Canva, I simply brought in a square shape. I then went ahead to type in the text. I also brought in the necessary icon. I then duplicated this particular widget and then changed the icon and text for the other one. So now we have our widgets ready. All we just need to do is to take this to ChatGPT and make it pop. So here in ChatGPT, I've attached my widget design and then I gave it my prompts. It says, I need you to take my 3 widgets and upgrade their design to look like they were designed by a $10,000 design team. I need them to be relatively the same as I have them. Keep them separate and true to the original layouts, just more polished. So we're just going to send this over and see what ChatGPT would do for us. Here is the results we got from ChatGPT, and as you can see, this is looking way enhanced. This is the before and after image. You can clearly see the difference. I also did the same for this workflow chart. Here's the before and after. I did the same for this as well. Here's the before and after. So let's assume you are completely clueless on what to create. Go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt like this. I want it to create 2 widgets, one to represent Adobe Photoshop and another for Adobe Firefly. Can you give me the core design features or theme for each so I have a clear starting point? You can use whatever software you want. It don't necessarily need to be Adobe Photoshop or Firefly. So once you send this over, it's going to give you a roadmap on how you can be able to create something good. Here's what I was able to create from ChatGPT's description. I'm going to take this back to ChatGPT and make it way better. This is the final result we got from ChatGPT. As you can see, this looks way better than what we had before. The final thing I'm going to do is to create a subtle animation with these 2 widgets using another AI tool. So here in Kling AI, I'm going to drop in my widget design and then I'm going to paste in the prompt. As usual, I'm going to provide the link to this prompt in the description below. Then next thing, I'm going to click generate and then we'll wait and see what Kling AI will generate for us. Here is the results we got from Kling AI. This is not actually what I was expecting, but you can always modify your prompt so you can come up with something good for you. Another AI tool you can use to animate your widget is called runway.lm. All you just need to do is to load in your widget design and type in the same prompt and hit generate. And here is the results we got from Runway ML. The same thing, if you don't get what you want, you can always modify your prompt so it can give you a better result. I believe after watching this video, you already have a lot of creative ideas you can explore with ChatGPT and these other AI tools. Ensure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be keeping up to date with more tutorials on graphic design, AI, and tech. See you in the next one.